Okay, good morning to one and all. Myself, a Ramanjanailu. Today, I am going to explain how to draw the polygon by using method 2. In this, I taken an example. The length of the side is 40 mm and the number of sides is 6 and 5. That is 6 means hexagon and 5 means pentagon. Okay, in this session I am going to draw the hexagon and pentagon by using the side length 40 mm. That is by using method 2. Okay, first whatever the procedure we use in method 1 up to 50% up to drawing the radial lines, the same procedure we are using here. Okay, first draw the given side length. Name it as AB. Next, extend this line to the left side up to some distance. Next, by using compass, draw the semicircle with A as center and radius as given side length. Okay, here I am taking A as center and AB as radius. I am drawing the one semicircle. Okay, next divide this semicircle into 6 equal parts, that is 180 divided by 6, that equals to 30 degrees. Okay, by using protractor divide this semicircle. Okay, next as center. Next, coincide with the horizontal line with the base line, that is this line with the base of the semicircle. Divide this semicircle into 6 equal parts by using each division 30 degrees. 30, 60, 90, 120, next 150. Okay, now we divided this semicircle into 5 equal parts. Next, join all these side divided points with point A. We got the 6 equal parts. Up to now, the same procedure what we used in previous case. Okay, next name these points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and last one is 6. Okay, next here AB and 2A is the two sides of a required hexagon. Okay, now bisect lines 2A and AB. Already we know bisection means A as center, radius more than half of the length. Draw the two sides of a line and 2 as center and cut this arc. Got two intersection points. Similarly from A and B also. got 2 points. Next, join these points, we'll get the bisection point. That is, I'm joining, suppose I'm taking P, Q, R, S. Join P and Q. Join P and Q. Next, similarly, join R and S. Okay, these two lines, bisection lines, intersect at one point. That point is O. That point is O. Next, O as center, and OA as radius. O as center and OA as radius. Draw the circle. Okay, this circle touches the radial lines at different locations. That is, suppose this fifth line touches this circle at this point. This point is C. Next, the fourth line touches the circle at this location. This point is C. Next, D. Next, the third radial line touches the circle at this point. This point is E. Now we got all the corners of a hexagon. Next, join all these points. Next, B and C. Next, 2 and F. Join E and F. Next, C and D. Next, finally, E and D. ED and AB are parallel. Before drawing, we need to check. If not parallel, means the procedure is mistaken. Okay, like that we need to draw the hexagon by using method 2. In the similar way, draw the pentagon also. Okay, thank you.